amazing. It's quite heavy although. This one has no plates, but few and ones. This is more or less it. Quality. This is ABS, so do not fall down. This will break. And it comes with a not prime mag. So you need to put gels here. Then this one. And then, ta-da! I don't know why does this. You have to press this one. It has so many metal parts, metal tube, metal gearbox, metal outer barrel, metal brush hider, metal inner barrel, and that's more or less it. Lots of metal parts. Okay, since this is nylon ABS, be careful not to fall down or else you will break this one. Features in this one has it has a digital MOSFET. You can see the selector here. There's a switch there. It's an indicator that this is a MOSFET type. So you can do semi, burst, binary, so and so. So try not to max this out or else you will burn your MOSFET. Or else get a good battery. Wait, this one is heavy. It's around 1.7 kilograms. So it's nice. It feels really premium. It has 300 barrel, so it's quite long. And it's you can change this one to have a hop-up because this one really needs a hop-up. And one also of the disadvantages is that this is there's a space here, so it moves a little bit. You need to put a spacer around this one to give it better accuracy. Since it's a usual Gen 8 spring mat, it's, I can say it's more or less same as the M4 magazine. Since it's a metal gearbox, your upgrade options is a little bit more than usual. Oh, this comes with probably 8mm bearings. See, nice bearings. Since this doesn't have a MOSFET, a hop-up, range will a little bit limited. So you need to put it a little bit higher for it to reach farther. Or else, what else can you do with this one? Just change this with the hop-up. Anyhow, the price of this one here is 8,500. It's a little bit pricey, but again, this is a premium